are priest forever in the line of Melchizedek, consecrated to the service of the Lord, to sit at His right hand. You are a priest forever in the line of Melchizedek, in persona Christi ad majorem Dei gloria, totus tuus amen.